Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the key factors to consider when choosing an inverter battery for welding. Whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, selecting the right battery is crucial for performance and efficiency. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. Capacity determines how long the battery can sustain welding operations. Voltage V must match the welding machine's power requirements, e.g., 24V, 48V, etc. Power output ensure the battery can handle high amp draws for welding tasks. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the key factors to consider when choosing an inverter battery for welding, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.